Here's another song to help us learn English. This song is more modern. The name of this song is Shape of You, sung by Ed Sheeran in 2017. First, let's review some vocabulary from the song. Listen and repeat. Drink. Drink at a bar. Do shots. Be in love. Sing. Shape. Slow is the opposite of fast. Great! Now let's practice. What's the missing word? Sing. What's the action? Be in love. What's the action? Drink. Drink at a bar. What is it? Shape. What's the word? Slow. What's the word? Fast. What's the action? Do shots. Now listen to the song. It's about dancing and attraction. It's okay if you don't understand all the words. Listen to the contractions and the pronunciation in the song. I'm in. Were.